This is my review on the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer. It has 2 heat speeds, low and high, as well as a cool setting. It's easy to hold, which is great because then you're not wondering and worrying about how to use the blow dryer and the round brush at the same time, which for me can be super confusing and hurt my wrist. This just lets me quickly be able to get the look of a salon blowout without the hassle of going to the salon or worrying about that technique. It's easy to use. You can see that it smooths my hair as I push it through, and that I'm not having to do multiple passes over and over on my hair. The brush itself is made of nylon and tufted bristles, which helps to actually detangle and add the additional volume, and can be placed really close to your scalp to get more lift at the root if you're looking for more additional volume. It does also have a built-in ion generator, which helps your hair to dry faster, which reduces damage overall. I am able to get my hair done quickly. I generally start with it at about 80% dry, and then I'm able just to quickly finish off my hair without any additional trouble or heat or product. And I love it. I recommend this 100%.